Dollar Tree has 12 new finds you'll want to grab for just $1.25. From smart kitchen essentials to cleaning, storage, and everyday home products, these deals could disappear fast. But 5 items may not be worth your money, so let's see what's actually worth buying. LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner. LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner is the kind of Dollar Tree find that can actually earn a regular spot under your kitchen sink. It's useful for everyday cleaning jobs around the home, especially when you want an affordable cleaner for routine messes without spending much. Similar multi-purpose cleaners can often sell for $3 to $6 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. It's also a product that makes sense to keep as a backup because cleaning supplies are something you eventually use up. Before using it, always check the label for the surfaces it's designed for and follow the directions carefully. Never mix cleaning products unless the label specifically says it's safe. For a 1-bottle 25 household essential, this is much more practical than many random Dollar Tree finds. If you spot LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Sure Pre-Cut Parchment Paper. Sure Pre-Cut Parchment Paper is one of those kitchen finds that can make baking and cooking a little easier. Instead of tearing and measuring parchment from a large roll, the pre-cut sheets are already ready to use, which can save time when you're lining baking trays or preparing food. Similar pre-cut parchment paper can often sell for $4 to $8 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The sheets can be especially handy for cookies, roasted vegetables, baked goods, and other recipes where you want to reduce sticking and make cleanup easier. Before using it, check the package for temperature limits and other instructions, especially if you're using it in an oven. For anyone who bakes regularly, having a few pre-cut sheets ready to go can be much more convenient than cutting parchment every time. If you spot Sure Pre-Cut Parchment Paper for a $1.25 slams, grab it before it's gone. Collapsible Kitchen Colander. The Collapsible Kitchen Colander is a smart Dollar Tree find, especially if you're short on cabinet space. It works like a regular strainer for rinsing fruits, vegetables, pasta, and other foods, but the collapsible design folds down when you're finished, making it much easier to store. Similar collapsible kitchen colanders can often sell for $7 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. This is especially useful in smaller kitchens, apartments, RVs, or anywhere bulky kitchen tools can quickly take over your cabinets. Before using it, check the package for temperature limits, dishwasher compatibility, and proper care instructions. The real value here is getting everyday functionality without sacrificing much storage space. If you spot the collapsible kitchen colander for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Sure Rectangular Storage Containers. The Sure Rectangular Storage containers, the kind of everyday kitchen find that can make organizing leftovers, snacks, and pantry items much easier. The rectangular shape also makes them practical for stacking inside a refrigerator or cabinet without wasting much space. Similar rectangular food storage containers can often sell for $4 to $10 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. They're useful for meal prep, storing leftovers, packing snacks, or simply keeping smaller ingredients organized instead of leaving open packages scattered around the kitchen. Before using them, check the package for microwave, dishwasher, and temperature compatibility, since not every plastic container is designed for every type of food storage or heating. For a simple everyday kitchen essential, these are easy to justify if you actually need more storage containers. If you spot the Sure Rectangular Storage Containers for $1.25, grab them before they're gone. Swan Isopropyl Alcohol 70% is one of those basic household products that can be surprisingly useful to keep around. It can come in handy for appropriate cleaning and disinfecting tasks, and the 70% concentration makes it a practical option for many common household uses. Similar 70% isopropyl alcohol products can often sell for $3 to $6 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Because it's a product you may use regularly, having an extra bottle available can be convenient instead of waiting until you completely run out. Always read the label and follow the manufacturer's directions. Keep it away from flames, heat sources, children, and pets, and use it only for the purposes listed on the packaging. If you spot Swan Isopropyl Alcohol 70% for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. The original Super Glue Gel is a handy little item to keep in a drawer for those small repairs that seem to come up when you least expect them. The gel formula can be useful when you need adhesive for appropriate small household, craft, or repair projects. Similar superglue gel products can often sell for $4 to $8 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Because the tube is small, it also doesn't take up much space, so having one available for quick fixes can be convenient. Just remember that superglue is a strong adhesive. Follow the package directions carefully, avoid contact with skin and eyes, and keep it away from children. Make sure the surfaces you're repairing are suitable for the adhesive. For $1.25, this is one of those inexpensive products that can be surprisingly useful when something needs a quick fix. If you spot the original super glue gel for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Driver's Choice Microfiber Towels. Driver's Choice Microfiber Towels are one of those simple Dollar Tree finds that can be useful far beyond just cleaning your car. Microfiber towels can help with wiping down dashboards, windows, mirrors, countertops, appliances, and other surfaces where you want a soft cleaning cloth. Similar microfiber towel packs can often sell for $5 to $10 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Having several on hand can also be convenient because you can keep separate towels for the car, kitchen, bathroom, or general household cleaning. Before using them, check the care instructions and avoid using a towel that has picked up dirt or grit on delicate surfaces where it could cause scratches. For a low-cost cleaning essential with multiple uses around the house, these are definitely worth checking out. If you spot Driver's Choice Microfiber Towels for $1.25, grab them before they're gone. Beet Pure Body Scrub. The Beet Pure Body Scrub is an interesting Dollar Tree beauty find if you enjoy adding a little extra care to your shower routine. A body scrub can be useful for gently exfoliating the skin and leaving it feeling smoother, especially on areas that tend to feel dry or rough. Similar body scrubs can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The compact size also makes it easy to keep in your bathroom or take along when traveling. As with any skincare product, check the ingredient list and follow the directions on the package. Avoid using a scrub on irritated or damaged skin, and stop using it if it causes discomfort. For an inexpensive self-care product, this is definitely worth a look. If you spot the Beet Pure Body Scrub for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Hosley Aromatherapy Incense Sticks. The Hosley Aromatherapy Incense Sticks are a nice Dollar Tree find if you enjoy adding fragrance to your home without spending a lot. They can be used to create a more relaxing atmosphere in spaces like the bedroom, living room, or a quiet corner where you unwind. Similar aromatherapy incense sticks can often sell for $6 to $14 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The compact packaging also makes them easy to store, and having a few different scents can give you options depending on the mood you want. Just follow the package directions carefully when using incense. Always burn it in a suitable holder, keep it away from anything flammable, and never leave a burning incense stick unattended. If you spot Hosley Aromatherapy Incense Sticks for $1.25, grab them before they're gone. Home Butter Spreader Set. The Home Butter Spreader Set is a simple kitchen find that can be surprisingly useful for everyday breakfasts and meals. Having dedicated spreaders makes it easy to handle butter, jam, cream cheese, and other soft spreads without reaching for a larger kitchen knife. Similar butter spreader sets can often sell for $7 to $16 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. A set is also convenient because you can keep several together for family breakfasts or have extras ready when guests come over. The compact design means they won't take up much drawer space while still being useful for something you may reach for almost every morning. If you spot the Home Butter Spreader Set for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Telescopic Fly Swatter. The Telescopic Fly Swatter is a simple household tool that can be surprisingly handy, especially during warmer months when flies and other flying insects become a bigger nuisance. The extendable handle gives you extra reach, making it easier to reach higher areas without climbing onto furniture. Similar telescopic fly swatters can often sell for $4 to $9 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 pre-theft price an incredible bargain. When you're finished using it, the compact design can also make storage easier in a drawer, closet, or cleaning cabinet. It's not a complicated product, but sometimes these are the everyday tools you end up appreciating when you actually need them. If you spot the Telescopic Fly Swatter for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Lowenthal XL Silicone Air Fryer Liner. liner is a useful kitchen find if you use your air fryer regularly and want to make cleanup a little easier. A silicone liner can help create a barrier between food and the basket, which may reduce the amount of residue left behind after cooking. Similar silicone air fryer liners can often sell for $8 to $18 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The XL size can also be helpful if you have a larger air fryer, but always compare the liner's dimensions with your basket before buying. Check the package for temperature limits, cleaning instructions, and whether the liner is appropriate for your specific air fryer. If you spot the Lowenthal XL silicone air fryer liner for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Stainless steel 2-in-1 peeler and grater. The stainless steel 2-in-1 peeler and grater. The stainless steel 2-in-1 peeler and grater is a handy little kitchen tool because it combines two basic functions in one compact design. You can use the peeler for vegetables and fruits, while the grater side can be useful for smaller food preparation tasks. Similar 2-in-1 stainless steel kitchen tools can often sell for $8 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The compact design also means it won't take up much room in your kitchen drawer. Before using it, check the blades and handle to make sure everything feels secure, and always handle sharp kitchen tools carefully. It could be especially useful in a smaller kitchen where you want to keep your utensil collection simple. If you spot the stainless steel 2-in-1 peeler and grater for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Clear stackable shoebox. The clear stackable shoebox is a practical storage find for anyone trying to make a closet look cleaner without spending a lot. The clear design lets you see what's inside, while the stackable shape helps you make better use of vertical space instead of leaving shoes scattered across the floor. Similar clear stackable shoeboxes can often sell for $8 to $16 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. They can also be useful for organizing accessories, small clothing items, craft supplies, or other things that tend to get lost in larger storage containers. Before buying, check the dimensions to make sure your shoes or other items will fit comfortably. If you spot the clear stackable shoebox for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Desktop 2-tier shelf. The desktop 2-tier shelf is a simple organization upgrade that can help turn a cluttered desk or counter into a more usable space. The two levels give you extra room for small office supplies, cosmetics, spices, accessories, or other everyday items without taking up much additional surface area. Similar 2-tier desktop shelves can often sell for $7 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The compact design is especially useful for small desks, dorm rooms, bathroom counters, or kitchen areas where space is limited. Before buying, check the dimensions and make sure the shelf is sturdy enough for the items you plan to store on it. If you spot the desktop 2-tier shelf for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Velvet Slim Hangers. The Velvet Slim Hangers are a great closet upgrade if you're trying to fit more clothing into the same amount of space. The slim design takes up less room than bulky plastic hangers, while the velvet-style surface can help keep clothes from slipping off. Similar velvet slim hangers can often sell for $6 to $12 for a multi-pack at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. They're especially useful for shirts, blouses, dresses, and other lightweight clothing that tends to slide around on smooth hangers. If you're organizing your closet or replacing mismatched hangers, these can also make everything look much more uniform without spending much. If you spot the Velvet Slim Hangers for $1.25, grab them before they're gone. Vacuum suction hook rail is a useful storage solution for areas where you need extra hanging space without drilling holes into the wall. It can be handy in bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, or closets for lightweight items that you want to keep within easy reach. Similar suction hook rails can often sell for $8 to $18 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The biggest advantage is the simple installation, especially for renters or anyone who doesn't want to damage walls or cabinets. Before installing it, make sure the surface is smooth, clean, and suitable for suction mounting. Also check the weight limit and avoid hanging anything heavier than the product recommends. If you spot the vacuum suction hook rail for $1.25, grab one before it's gone.